Visual intelligence is really about bringing eyes on the grid, and as such we can take any type of visual data and content and bringing it into a software platform that generates insights that we could not use before. So we take any type of imagery ranging from what I would call like ground sensors, smartphones, cameras, but also cameras that are carried by drones, aircrafts, or even satellites. So basically looking at everything that could potentially create damage or an outage on the grid. But what's truly amazing about that technology is it's not static. You can collect data at different points in time, and one thing that's really important is comparing an information taken at a given moment with the same information taken at another moment will give you a trend. Maybe a transformer will be more corroded, maybe you'll see a crack in an insulator coming. And by merging all of that information, not only you understand what you need to change on your grid, but you understand, how it reacts to the pressure of the environment, to the pressure of the climate, and that gives you a new perception of your grid and a path to a predictive maintenance. One thing that's great about visual intelligence is it's not just a platform to analyze visual data. We have a strong connection with Small World that gives more context to every pixel that's collected with visual sensors. But more so, what we do with visual intelligence is extract meaningful information from that ocean of visual data. And every information that we extract is then converted into a work order. So we're really bridging the gap between raw visual data and operations. We use AI at every stage of the data analysis process. We leverage computer vision models, deep learning models to extract meaningful information from raw visual data. But we can also work with AI by doing the prioritization of tasks. And one thing that's actually new in the platform is a planification module that's adapted to the vegetation management workflow. By giving the platform a specific budget and a specific footprint of network to be maintained, our AI models will automatically prioritize the work orders that need to be done to optimize the risk at the lowest cost. So I hope you understand the potential of visual intelligence and every application you can unleash with visual data. If you want to learn more about VI and all the existing applications, you can go to the Vernova website and reach out to the visual intelligence team.